Hello students, today I am going to describe about network security and computer security. These days we use computer and laptop not in standalone environment. Most people use computer, laptops, even smartphones with any network or internet. These days we always tends to use the digital devices with connecting it with internet. So the security of our own digital device like computer, laptop, smartphone, and the security of the network with which we are connected is the most important concern. So first, in computer and network security segment, we have virus. What is a virus? A virus is a malicious program that invades into a computer system, replicates itself, and disturbs, interferes the normal workings of a computer and slows down the computer and affects the entire system. That is called virus. Number two, worm. What is worm? Worm is a malicious program that comes through normally with internet or any network and that invades into your computer system, that replicates itself into your computer system or your network system and makes a easy access to the unauthorized users to other malicious program and disturbs your computer workings. Next, Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a malicious program that actually misleads the computer users. Trojan horse will appear to you, that means to the computer users, as a helpful program. And then suppose downloading a video game, downloading an apps. These are the options normally a Trojan horse gives to a internet user or computer user. Then that particular user will download Trojan horse. Then Trojan horse will invade into your computer system and break your protective wall or your software protection of your computer system. Then your protection of your computer and network is broken. Now the unauthorized users, the hackers or the crackers or other viruses can affect your computer system. After virus, worm and Trojan horse, we are going to spam. What is spam? Spam is an unwanted, unsolicited email that is sent by multiple organizations to advertise their products, and sometimes spam asks you to download and save some files. When you download the spam emails or files that has come with the spam, then you may install and download a virus affected file. That is spam. After spam, one concept is data theft. What is data theft? Before going to data theft, we need to know what is hacking and hacker and what is cracking and cracker. Now, hacking is an art of invading into your computer system, into your network system and break the security and protective wall of computer and network system and access the important information, data for their own purpose, own profit. That is called hacking. Now, in hacking, the person who is performing the hacking is called hacker. Now, normally, hacking actually a process performed by hacker to show the owner of the system or owner of the network system to indicate what are the loopholes and vulnerable points within the networks and computers. And a hacker normally does it to show his or her skill, that he or she can point out the loopholes or vulnerable points of the network and system, and thus he or she can approach herself or himself as a network security professional that a company and organization can hire. So hacking is an act of finding out the loopholes, the vulnerable points of a network and system performed by hacker, so that the hacker can approach themselves as a network security professional and a company or organization can hire them. In other hand, there is a concept of cracking and cracker. Cracking is an act performed by some person called cracker with the criminal intensity of invading network system, invading computer system, taking important data and information, and gaining the personal profit. Cracker never will come forward to tell you about your loopholes or vulnerable points of your system. Crackers are the normal cyber criminal. They do it for their own profit. Next is data theft. When a cracker performs cracking on a computer network or a computer system, it takes the important data information like your ATM card number, your ATM card PIN number, your password of your email ID, or account number and password of your any bank account. They can have these data and they can take away your money that is kept within your account of a particular bank. This is called data theft. In network and computer security, data theft is a major concept and major issues that the network security professionals and other computer professionals are trying hard to make secure, that every person data cannot be theft by the cracker. Thank you.